Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
SQL Server Integration Services, Classes and Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers. Part 28. What is Execute Process Task and how to zip and unzip files in SSIS. In this part of training, we are going to discuss about what is Execute Process Task and how to zip and unzip files in SSIS. In SSIS, that is SQL Server Integration Services, the Execute Process Task is a control flow task that allows you to run an external application or process from within an SSIS package. It is essentially a way to execute command line programs, batch files, or executables as part of your ETL workflow. Purpose of this task is the Execute Process Task is used when you need to integrate external tools or scripts into your SSIS workflow. For example, running a batch file that is .bat before or after data loading, executing a command line utility like BCP, robocopy or FTP, launching Python, PowerShell or custom executables for data processing, compressing or uncompressing the files, calling third-party tools that SSIS doesn't support natively. Let us see these things practically in SSIS. We are in SSIS. I'm trying to create a new package and trying to renaming it as Execute Process Task. Here in control flow, we are going to take this Execute Process Task. Before that, I'm opening this folder like D. Here we are trying to create a folder and we are going to zip and unzip the files. And now in Execute Process Task, if you open it, you will see in general it is a name and description. In process, you will see different things like executable, arguments and working directory. Required full file name is true. First, we'll see what are the different things that we are going to do is. First is by using cmd.exe file, we are going to make a directory called SSIS. That means we are going to create a folder in D folder. And second one would be we are going to zip by using 7z.exe file. We are going to zip a file, and in third step we are going to unzip the same file in the folder called SSIS. First we'll try to create a folder by using the command line. Okay. Here in executables we have to give this path. This is the path where cmd.exe file is located, and the arguments. These are the standard arguments to create a directory. For that, /c make directory d/SSIS. That means in D folder it is going to create a directory called SSIS. And let us execute this package now. Now it will create a folder in a D folder. Now the package got successful. Now see here in a D folder we have created SSIS as a folder here. This is a folder that we have created. This is the first step that we have done by using Execute Process Task. In the next step, what we are going to do is we are going to zip a file. For that, we have arguments ready here. By using 7z.exe file, we are going to zip a file. For zipping a file, a-t7z is the command, and in the D folder, SSIS folder, text.zip, like this is the folder name that we are going to create over there for the file which is existing in the text file.txt. This is the file that we have to create in SSIS. Here I am trying to create a file. That is text text file and txt. This is the file that we are going to zip now. For that, we'll take the arguments from here. Open the executive process. In process, we are going to give the location of this executable. This is the location C program files, and 7 minus zip 7z.exe is the file which is located in C program files. And for arguments, we are going to provide these arguments. That means what this one is going to do is this is going to create a zip file in SSIS folder. It is going to zip the file called text file .txt from SSIS folder. And coming to the working directory, we have to give the working directory path here. In this directory, it is going to work. We can give SSIS here. Let us execute the package. Package got executed successfully. Let us check. See, in a D folder, SSIS, we have a text file, that is textfile.txt, and we are zip that file by using text.zip. In this way, we are zip this file. And in the same way, we are going to unzip this file now. For that, we are going to unzip this file here itself. That's why I am just deleting this file from here. And we are trying to use these arguments. The executable location is the same, and to extract the file, we are going to use extract. This is the command that we are going to use here to extract the file. And working directory also the same. Here, instead of zipping, we are just extracting. That is why we are just copying this thing. We are extracting text.zip file in working directory SSIS. Let us try executing this package. And here the text.zip file got unzipped here in the D location SSIS folder. This is the folder that we have created by using the command line. In this way, here we have used command.exe executable, and another executable for zipping and unzipping is like 7z.exe file. In such a way, we can use executable files which are not inbuilt in SSIS by using execute process task. I'll be sharing the scripts with you in description of our video. You can use them for your working purposes. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.